All right, what's good, Rob Mob? Today we're going to be solving a problem, lesson 3, problem 4. And again, if you guys, this is for the year 2019, the 7th graders, but if this is not a problem that looks familiar to you, feel free to listen along and try to pay attention the best you can. All right, so Diego's uncle sells computers. In addition to his hourly wage of $14.75, he gets paid 20% of the amount that he sells. Diego's uncle earns $1,190 after working for 40 hours. What amount of merchandise did he sell over these 40 hours? All right, so money is coming from two different places in this problem, right? We have an hourly wage, and then we have commission, right? And that'll give us our total. Right? So we know that the total is going to be that $1,190, right? So now we have something that represents the commission plus something that represents the hourly. The hourly we know is $14.75, right? And that is going to be times 40 hours. All right? But now we have to represent our total sales and how much money we brought home from those total sales. So we are taking home 20% of the amount. Diego is taking home 20% of the amount that he sells. So, as you guys know, you can write that as 0.2 times total sales, we're going to call S, total sales. All right? So, moving on, we know that $14.75 times 40 hours is going to give us $590. That is going to be plus our 0.20 S, because we still don't know what S is, and that is going to equal our $1,190. So I'm going to minus $590 on both sides to leave us with 0.20 S equals $600. Right? So now, as a lot of you must recognize at this point, 20%, 20% represents 20% of our total sales. So this $600 right here represents 20% of our total sales. So if we put that into a ratio table and label it, we have dollar amount here, and then we have percentage of total sales. You'll see that 20% is going to give us that $600. And now we can just easily multiply both of these by 5 to give us our 100% is going to equal $3,000. And so total sales is going to be equal to our S variable, which is equal to $3,000. Now, if we wanted to double check that, if you have a calculator, we can take this step right up here and bring it right down below, right? The 0.20 S equals 600, right? So if you have a calculator, you could divide out 0.20 on each side to get us to S equals 600 divided by 0.20 or 0.2. And we put that into the calculator, 600 divided by 0.2, that'll give us our $3,000.